Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a meditation using a snow globe. So this meditation is geared towards children, although anyone can really benefit from this. And I'm going to lead you through this, and then I encourage you to do this on your own with your family or with your kids. And this is just a fun way to kind of bring in the winter spirit and also cultivate some mindfulness. All right, so grab a snow globe, and we're going to begin just by taking a deep breath in and out. All right, now start to shake up your snow globe. Really feel your body as you're moving the globe back and forth. Feel the weight of the globe in your hand. And then just take a few moments just to really look at and contemplate the movement of the glitter and the snow inside. See how still you can be with the globe and watch all the little pieces as they come down. Let's do that one more time. So just shake up your snow globe. Again, really feel the weight of the globe in your hand. And then you can hold it or you can set it down somewhere and just watch as all the little pieces swirl around. And as you continue to watch, just imagine that the little pieces moving around are like thoughts. So the snow globe is like your mind, and the snow inside are like all the little thoughts that are constantly moving through the mind. Shake it up one more time. Shake it really good. All right, so as you're shaking it this time, shake it really good so there's lots of snow swirling around. And then stop and notice how it's moving really fast. So this is like when your mind just feels like it's moving a million miles a minute. You might have a lot of things you're thinking about. Or maybe you're feeling kind of anxious and there's lots of thoughts like you have a test coming up, or maybe you're thinking about something that you have in school or something going on with your friends, and there's lots of thoughts swirling all about. And then you'll notice it starts to calm down. So maybe that's you taking a few deep breaths. Let's do that right now. Take a big breath in and out. Watch how all the little pieces of snow are starting to slow down. Just like when you take a few deep breaths, your thoughts might start to slow down. So let's close our eyes now. You can set your snow globe down. Take a deep breath in and out. And just start to imagine your mind is like the snow globe, and notice any thoughts that come and pass through your mind. Imagine they're like little pieces of snow. It could be any thought. It could be about what you're going to have for dinner later. Maybe suddenly you feel an itch on your body, or maybe you hear a sound. Just notice your thoughts. And you might notice that your mind moves quickly from one thought to another, just like the snow swirling about in the snow globe. That's just how your mind works. And then take a few more deep breaths and see if you can calm the movement of the snow a little bit. Calm your thoughts so they start to slow down. Take one more big breath in and out. Slowly open your eyes. At this point, I encourage you just to talk about what that was like. So if you're doing this video with your kids, with your family, at the end of the video, just talk about what came up. Like, what did you think about? What was in your mind? You also might place the snow globe somewhere where you'll see it, and you can come back to this exercise just as a little visual reminder to build a little more mindfulness throughout your day. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to our channel if you liked it, and watch for more fun videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time.